Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anson, and today we'll be going to Singapore Birds Paradise to see birds. So this is my sister, Celine. This is my sister's boyfriend, Jason. Of course, driving the car. Cool, right? Where do you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I've been very long time ago. Where do you come from? Where do you go? Where do you come from? Okay, guys, we're almost here. Now we're going to buy tickets. This guy will treat us. Yeah.
Listening sound like the gun shooting one.
So apparently this bird shoots at most like AK-47.
Oh, the show starting eh.
More parrots on the ticket.
There you go.
Very cooling.
Next stop, next stop.
Outside. This is the green cheek Amazon bird. So we are at the Songs of the Forest, where when I touch the wall, this makes the sound of this bird. So for others, it's all different. More birds over here. This is a cute bird. No idea what is the name. This looks like a red bird. Red eyes, loads of hair. So these are all types of birds. There's two white birds over there. Birds over there. These birds, they want the food so badly they're picking up the tray. Birds handling on this bird park. There's rats walking around. They're eating the leftover of the birds. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, no. We found a kangaroo in the bird park. How odd. So we got orange juice. What is it called? I juice. Whatever it is. So we're at the penguin area. We're getting these penguin pounds. So these cookies over here. That's crazy. This is a gift shop. So we finished our tour. Now back at the lobby. We're going to the show for 5 p.m. right now. Now it's like 4:45. Hello. Hi. Yeah, they're called Lambo and Ferrari.
Bye.
Do you want to see more?
Wow.
So Sabrina family, I think it's is about 10 years old.
Hi, to meet this is Katie, our South Crescent Club 2.
One time, welcome them.
One more time, what's your name?
finished our tour at the Birds Paradise. Now we're buying the Birds of Paradise ice cream. Best ice cream.
Ah, okay.
So we got a
Here's one more
Starbucks
option.
drink.
Dude, this is okay. It was pink. It's not pink anymore.
I got the lychee. So this is the lychee raspberry. It looks very nice, very good. You guys should try it out also. It'll blow your mind out.
So this is mango sorbet and hojicha, sea salt hojicha with rainbow.
And we finished our Birds Paradise exploring today here at Westgate Mall to eat some good snack. It's called Pingzi. If you know the food called roti prata, then you will love to come try this. So today's video will come to an end. See you next video. Bye.